Now to take a look at weather. Don Paul joins us now with more. Don?
Rather abruptly, I might add. Here I am. Well, we've had ourselves what will be the prettiest day of the week, but the unsettled weather that's on its way is not going to be causing any serious problems until we get to the end of the week. And I don't mean to imply serious problems, but we are going to be heading back into a shot of some real wintry weather at the end of the week into the upcoming weekend. Here's the webcam at Sturgeon Point, and as you might suspect, there is not a cube of ice to be found out here on Lake Erie. Visibility has been great all day, and it will be clear tonight as well. With light winds, the temperatures will drop pretty quickly after sunset, but you're not going to feel that quick drop because with light winds, there's no wind chill if you're outside. Totally clear skies right now across southern Erie County with our high-resolution satellite imagery. When you don't see anything dancing across the screen, that's a good sign that there aren't any clouds. There will be toward morning some high clouds. And let's check out the bigger picture. Precipitation out here will get here, but not until later tomorrow. And note there is a conflict between rain and snow. And tomorrow, at the end of the day, it looks like when the precipitation arrives, it's still going to be cold enough near the surface and at mid-levels for some snow to come down on the hills. And the same goes for tomorrow night. At the lower elevations, a downslope southerly wind is going to take this temperature and tack on about 8 more degrees for a high tomorrow. So we should end up with rain. There is no wind chill. There is no wind. It fits together with such beautiful symmetry. And we check out the stats for today. 34 and 21, the high and the low. And the average very close to that. Lake Erie holding at 34 degrees. And tonight by morning, readings will have dropped to the low 20s at the lower elevations, some teens in the valleys. And we look across the Great Lakes in the northeast, and the only really cold air is behind my right shoulder, up here from Caribou to the north. All of these readings are above average. We look upwind, and Pacific air continuing to dominate parts of the Canadian prairies. You have to go way up to Baker Lake to find the true Arctic air. There will be some Arctic air delivered, as I said, at the end of the week, but right now the main branch of the jet stream is energized. There are a couple of storm systems moving along with it, and that one will start to clip us later tomorrow, but not a real big deal. A strong southerly flow developing tomorrow. Models showing all snow here. That's not going to be the case. There'll be some rain developing late in the day at lower elevations, some wet snow in the hills. Let's go to your forewarned forecast. Mostly clear, seasonable temperatures tonight, very tranquil. Overnight lows from 18 in the valleys to 24 in the metro area. Tomorrow, plenty of sun in the morning, and then in the afternoon, clouds will increase with some rain and mixed precipitation arriving later in the day. The mixture over the hills, 37 hills, 42 metro, a gusty wind. Tomorrow night, mixed rain and snow showers on the hills, maybe a little slush, with mainly rain at the lower elevations. Then on Wednesday, a few light snow showers will be around with limited sunshine, a chilly breeze, rain on Thursday. Windy with rain and snow showers turning to snow on Friday, accumulating lake effect snow on Saturday, but that's going to be confined mainly to the hills below the Buffalo South towns, but it's going to look like winter out there again.
All right. Well, it kind of feels like spring break right now, so maybe we should get back a little bit to winter.
I guess. People are getting too spoiled around here.
Thanks, Don.